Hey devs, want to learn assembly programming? Here's some fun facts to get you started. Asterisk, the first assembly language, was developed in the 1940s, and it was called short code. Asterisk, assembly language is specific to a computer architecture, so what works on one machine won't work on another. Asterisk, the term assembly comes from the process of assembling machine code from symbolic codes. Asterisk, in the 1980s, assembly language was used to create the first video games like Pac-Man and Donkey Kong. Asterisk, today, assembly language is still used in operating systems, firmware, and embedded systems. Asterisk, learning assembly language can make you a better programmer by helping you understand how computers really work. So, where do you start? Try online resources like Coursera, edX, or Udemy courses. You can also read books like The Art of Assembly Language Programming or Assembly Language Programming in Linux. Happy coding!